Hello and welcome. Let's take a quick look at our top 3 Google Docs automation that will help you boost your business. So the first is how to automatically create and send invoice. Well, before we proceed further, do you know that businesses spend at least $15 processing per invoice? Well, save that kind of money as we bring you this automation. So here what will happen is you can get the details like customer details, order details and product details from Google Forms. Google Docs using these Google Forms details will help create an invoice. Then Google Drive will generate a shareable link of this invoice, and with the help of Gmail you can mail this invoice to your customers. Next in the list is auto-generate document summary using OpenAI. So if you are somebody who is heavily relying on content marketing, then this automation is for you, as content marketing can generate 3 times more lead than traditional marketing. So here what will happen is you can get the content details like the paragraph and the headline from Google Sheets. OpenAI will help you generate summary of that entire content, of that entire paragraph, and then Google Docs will help you create a document of that summary, which you can further use it for your digital marketing purpose or on social media platforms. Now third on the list is create bulk certificates and send on WhatsApp. So if you are running a training academy or giving sessions and awarding certificates to your students or customers on a regular basis, then this automation might be of your help. Here what will happen is you can get the details, say the course name, the customer or the student's name from Google Sheets. Then with the help of Google Docs, a certificate will be created using the Google Sheet details like name and the course name, etc. Then once the certificate is ready, you can WhatsApp it to your customers or your students. I hope you liked our 3 automations. You can find the link below in the description box.